If you guys are planning to buy a flip phone in 2025, now is probably the best time to do so because Samsung just came out with this amazing little flip phone, the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you hold this phone in your hand, it further redefines into you that Samsung has been doing this for quite some time now. I mean, from the moment you pick this phone up, you can tell that this was not built in a day. Years and years of silent improvements as well as upgrades have made the Z Flip series what it is today. And honestly, this one till now is their best work yet. Now, I've been using this phone for quite a few days, but right off the bat, before I tell you guys about my experience, I'll be completely honest. I have used a lot of flip phones lately, even from brands like Moto, which are much cheaper and more affordable. But honestly, when I tell you this, the moment you pick up a Samsung Flip series phone, especially the newest one, which is the Flip 7, you can just see how far Samsung really is in terms of quality as well as perceived quality, because this is the only flip phone that gives you such a premium feel compared to all other flip phones in the market right now. So, well, what are we waiting for? Let's find out more about the Z Flip 7. If you guys end up enjoying this video, make sure to hit on that like button, make sure to hit on that subscribe button, and with that said, let's get started. The star of the show, guys, is obviously the new and improved outer cover display, or flex window as Samsung likes to call it. Essentially, this flex window now fills in every corner of the display, and it also has smaller bezels and extends right up to the camera module, as you can see, and it just makes the display look incredibly immersive in day-to-day use, and it also feels much wider than before, which helps you hold the phone properly in your hand, and it just gives you the feel of using a normal phone. If we talk about specifications, guys, this is a 4.1-inch Super AMOLED panel, and it's also now 120 Hz, which makes using it really smooth and sleek. As you guys can see, everything is super snappy. It's also got a peak brightness of up to 2600 nits, guys, which makes it super comfortable for using outdoors as well. The phone is now also extremely durable with the new and improved Armor Flex hinge that feels super durable the moment you fold and unfold the phone. You get Armor aluminum frame all around, which protects the phone from drops, especially the sides, and you also get Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus 2 at the back, as well as the cover screen for additional protection. If we talk about IP rating, you also get an IP48 rating that remains unchanged from the Z Flip 6. Overall, I would say in terms of durability, the Flip 6 not only feels more premium than before, but also more robust, which is very important, especially when you're going to be folding and unfolding this phone many times once you use it. Now, guys, another important change is something that you will find out when you unfold this phone, and that is just how slim and light it is. The new Flip 7 is definitely the slimmest Galaxy Z Flip that has ever come out. It's only around 6.5 mm thick when it is open and around 13.7 mm thick once it is folded back. The phone also weighs just around 188 grams, and that makes it also feel more portable, and you can use it like a regular bar phone because of this new form factor. What also helps you feel like you're actually using a regular phone once you have opened it up is the new and improved as well as bigger 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED LTPO screen, which is now a 21:9 aspect ratio, which makes it a little wider, making it feel just like a bar phone. Now, I already told you it's LTPO dynamic AMOLED. It also has 120 Hz of refresh rate, making it super smooth and vivid. Watching content on this big inside screen is amazing, and it's super enjoyable. And because it's a 6.9-inch panel, so it's bigger, so you can enjoy it with a bigger form factor and a bigger screen. And of course, because it is a Samsung panel, the colors are absolutely amazing, and there is nothing to complain about. Okay, guys, that was about the new durability, the form factor, and the new and improved outside as well as inside display. But another thing that really impressed me was the upgraded battery life that we now get to see in the latest Z Flip 7. Flip and folding phones have always had smaller batteries, and they always left a little more to be desired in terms of battery capacity. Now, this has always been a problem for manufacturers as well, because folding phones have a lot of moving parts, so it's much more difficult to give a bigger capacity battery that is also flexible, and there's a lot more to it than just increasing the battery capacity like how you would on a regular phone. Samsung's own Z Flip 6 last year had a 4000 mAh battery, which many people, including me, again felt like was a bit low, especially if you're a hardcore user by any chance. This time Samsung has heard us and finally increased the battery capacity in the latest Flip7 to a whopping 4300 mAh, which is by far the largest battery that we have seen in the Z Flip series. What's more impressive, Samsung has kept the weight the same and consistent even after giving us this battery bump. Now, I have been using this phone, guys, for a few days now, and the battery does indeed last longer and can easily give you one full day of usage now without you running for the charger before the end of the day. Samsung also says that the new Flip7 can actually continuously play back video for up to 31 hours on a single charge, and that is super impressive. So definitely kudos to Samsung for giving a big and beefier battery to the new Flip7. Okay, now it's time to talk about performance, because there is a change in performance and processor as well. The newest Z Flip7 now actually comes with the Exynos 2500. That's right, Samsung's own chipset. It's a 3nm based chipset. Now, when this was announced, I was a little skeptical about overall performance, but trust me, after using this phone, I was convinced that this is still flagship level performance that you're getting on the Flip7. Now, the Exynos 2500 is actually pretty powerful and also gives you improved 28% increased ray tracing performance in graphically intensive apps as well as gaming. In real life usage, apps open quickly, multitasking is lag-free almost all the time, and I never really felt like this phone needed a more powerful processor. So whether you're planning to do a fair bit of gaming on the Flip7 or just do a lot of productivity and multitasking and usage between different applications, performance is pretty solid even with the Exynos 2500. Okay, performance is great, but let's move on to the software and let me show you guys a couple of new things that we have in the Flip7. The Flip7 alongside with the Fold 7 are now among the only Samsung phones that were unveiled with One UI 8.0 based on Android 16, and guys, the optimization here is truly next level. Samsung also promises 7 years of software updates along with 7 years of security patches, so you are pretty future-proof as well. And of course, being a Galaxy AI phone, this phone has the best integration of Samsung's own Galaxy AI along with Google's Gemini features. You can see the AI features now on almost all native applications, which is great to see, and the new Galaxy features that we saw in the S25 series originally, like the Now Brief as well as the Now Bar with live activities, can now be accessed on the cover screen itself, which was pretty cool. There's also cool features like enhanced generative edit that automatically suggests and selects people and objects from a photo, and now you can remove them in one click. There's also enhanced audio eraser that will identify noise from a video playing back automatically in real time and remove unwanted background noise while you are watching the video. Along with this, guys, now Gemini Live along with the camera access is now on the FlexWindow itself for ease of use, so you don't have to unfold the phone to get into Gemini. Okay, now it's the fun part. Let's move on to cameras, because there are quite a few things that I want to talk about, and cameras on a flip phone are always more fun to talk about. Okay, first of all, the new Flip7 gets a 50 megapixel primary sensor along with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor at the back and on the cover screen, and on the inside screen you also get a 10 megapixel selfie camera. Now, guys, I really enjoyed using the camera on the outer flex window. The camera UI fills in the entire screen, and there are animations on the camera ring when you open the camera, when you get ready to click a photo with a gesture, and also it blinks red when you are recording video. So all of these features really take your experience to the next level and look really cool. You can also reposition the tools by clicking and holding on it from one end to the other for ease of use depending on how you're shooting. Being a flip phone, of course, I recommend that you take all your selfies also with the back camera itself, and the photos come out really good because the next generation Pro Visual Engine is working in the background to make everything look really nice. Skin tone, skies, highlights, shadows, everything looks really sharp and well balanced, and overall I was very impressed with the cameras. Now, inside the flex window you can also add custom filters instantly for easy use, and now there's an auto zoom option that will automatically zoom in to keep you and others in frame, which is really handy, and also an auto frame option for video as well that again will keep you always in frame, so you can just set the phone up, start recording and forget about it. Again, as I said, just small ease of use features that take your overall experience super premium on the Flip7. Okay guys, now it's time to talk about pricing and see whether this phone makes sense with the price that it has been launched here in India. Now, the Z Flip7 has been unveiled for a price of 1,09,999 or around 1.1 lakh for the base 256GB variant. Now, this does make it an expensive flip phone, but right now there's an amazing pre-order offer where if you pre-order it now, you can actually get the 512GB variant for the same price as the 256GB variant, which I think really does give you additional value. Now, you know guys, while being expensive at this price point, the new and improved Flip7 will give you a super premium experience that will last you a long time. And these small additions with the robust build quality and the entire feel of the phone can't really be seen in the cheaper flip phones that are available in the country. So if you want to go for it, I really don't think you guys will regret it, because it is a pretty damn amazing phone. The best buy link, guys, will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you guys are liking the videos that we are posting nowadays in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button for more videos like this. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Anubhav signing out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Until then, you guys have a great day. Take care, stay safe, and peace out. Bye-bye now.